Welcome to Module 4, Camera Package Management. Chauffeur provides the unique feature of VADP Package Update and VADP Package Management. VADP, the VivoTech Application Development Platform, is the additional software package running on the camera, such as Smart VCA, Cloud Service Application, and the license plate recognition. From time to time, the VADP vendor will provide a new update for users, and in some situations, the user will be advised to upgrade the latest version of VADP package onto the camera. With using Chauffeur, you will be able to do the batch VADP update for multiple cameras at the same time. In some scenarios, user may need to do the basic management for the VADP packages. Then you can find the package management page on the Chauffeur. You can see all the selected devices are grouped by packages. For example, there are Trend Micro IoT, Deep Learning VCA, and Stratocast. After selecting one of the VADP packages, you can do batch turning on or turning off. Or you can uninstall the packages from the camera in order to reduce some system resource from the camera. In the next video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to do the VADP package update and the package management. Thank you very much.